What's up? Today I will show you 8 illusions which will test your mental sharpness. Write down in the comments which illusions you were able to solve and which tricked you. For the first 4 illusions you are given 15 seconds each to spot 2 images. Some people's brains are able to distinguish better and faster between different images, but for most people it will be very hard to find both. Let's get to the first one. This one is called the Snow White or Sherlock Holmes illusion. You can either see the black hair, the lips and the hair bow of Snow White, or the white illustration of Sherlock Holmes, including his pipe. To the second one. Here you can see the images of a Native American and an Eskimo. You either look at the thick winter coat of the Eskimo, who is turned away, or you can only see the face of the Native American, who is looking to the left side. Now to the next one. Did you see the young and the old woman? Or did you only see one of them? The young woman looks away and we are looking at the left side of her face. The old woman looks to the left side and a little bit down to the ground. The fourth one is the hardest so far. Can you find both images? Here you can see an old Mexican man and a young girl. This is the chin and this the nose of the Mexican guy. The young girl is harder to spot. You are seeing the back right side of the woman. This is her right shoulder, this her nose and this her eyelash. For the fifth illusion, you see those 3 cylinders of different size. Because of their surroundings and their formation, it's nearly impossible to recognize their real size. Can you tell which of them is the biggest? The biggest cylinder actually is the middle one. Even the first one is a little bit bigger than the one in the back, but due to the background it looks totally different. Let's get to the 6th illusion. Can you read that? It's called negative text. The 3D representation emphasizes the gaps between the letters, and the brain has a hard time to recognize the real letters. You have to actively rethink the image or close your eyes a little bit to be able to read the text. Here's another text without solution for the very quick ones. Now the 7th illusion. Can you find and see the portrait that hides here? It's not easy to identify something here, but by subtle light and dark differences between the lines, you can be able to see the portrait of Mona Lisa. It gets easier when you take a step back and look at the picture from a little further away. Illusion number 8. It's said on many websites who represent the following illusion that only 17% of people can find the black dot in less than 15 seconds. Can you do it? The first time I did it, it took me around 20 seconds. The dot is at the bottom right, exactly there.